So we are going to do three questions. The first one is a pentagonal prism, 30 mm base edge and axis 60 mm long, rests on HP on its base such that one of the base edge is parallel to VP. Pentagonal prism, right? Now the difference is you have a section plane here. A section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 30 degrees to HP bisects the axis, which means that your pentagonal prism is actually sectioned into two halves or two different portions, and you are asked to draw the development of the laterals of the section solid. After sectioning, you remove the top portion, and the remaining portion you have to draw the development of the remaining portion, right? So I've completed up to this point the the top view and the front view, named all those points. So that completes the first step, and the second step is you need to find out the section plane. So the section plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. So the section plane is seen as a straight line in the front view. So it actually passes through the midpoint of the axis. The question is said that bisects the axis. So you take the midpoint, find 30 degrees, then draw the section plane. That's your section plane. Now next you need to mark the section points. So the idea is when you go in the towards the forward direction, you mark all the visible edges, and when you come back, you mark the hidden edges. So your first intersection here, I'm going to mark it as 1 dash. Second intersection, that's a hidden line, I'm going to discard it. The third one here, that's a visible edge, 2 dash, it's B1 dash. Again, 3 dash, this is the next visible edge. That's it. Now coming back through the same, here you have a section point in the hidden edge. Again coming back here, you have 5 dash. So obviously that should be correct, because you have 5 edges, 5 vertical edges, and your section plane passes through those edges. So obviously you should have 5 section points. You have seen this. Now passing on to the next step. So this completes your first part. The second part is you have to draw the development, and then in the development you have to find the section points. So to draw the development, what you have to do is you have to first of all extend this XY line just like this, and you can start anywhere conveniently this point. What I've drawn is I've drawn a line which is exactly of the same length of the axis, because the thing is I have to draw rectangles, and the best way is to align them with the front view so that it's easy to pick the points. So I just draw a length just like that. Then I have to draw 5 rectangles. Why 5? It's a pentagonal prism, 5 sides, 5 rectangles. So you take the base edge length and keep on cutting arcs. How many arcs? 5 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 goes here. I'm going to do the same here. 1, 2,
3, 4, and 5. Right? So
that is your development. To show the folding lines, and to show in a thin line. So I guess you can see this 5 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles. You are asked to draw the lateral surface of the solid, so you don't need to draw the pentagon. Okay. If you're asked to draw the full development, then you have to draw the pentagon. Now, the next thing, I'm going to name this as, these points are A, this one is B, C, D, E, and again A. Why is that? This comes back actually. Now, how do you find out this 1, 2, 3, 4 section points in this development? For example, A dash A1 dash is this edge, and A dash A1 dash A1 dash is this edge, and your 1 dash lies in that edge, 2 dash lies in B dash B1 dash, 3 dash lies in C dash C1 dash, 4 in D1 dash, 5 in E1 dash. All you have to do is just gauge the length. This A dash A1 dash is of the same length as AA1 in the development, okay, which is of the same length. That is why I have aligned it like this. To find out the section points, all you have to do is just from 1 dash, you draw a line parallel to the XY line until you get to which point? Until you get to A1. Similarly, BB1 is your 2. Draw a line parallel, that's your 2. This is your 1. 3 dash lies in C1 dash. That's your 3. 4 is D. That's your 4. 5, then E. Should have a lengthy scale. 5. Similarly, 1 comes around. A1, we have 2 markings. This is also 1. Now, to complete the development, this is what you have to do. You have to connect these points. Okay. Now imagine you actually use a scissors to cut this portion. Okay, this portion, and you fold it. What you get is a prism which doesn't have the top portion. Okay, you'll get this portion. That is exactly what you need to draw the development of the section solid. So this is your development. If you want, you can use a leader line, and very neatly you can show development. Alright, so that completes the answer. You had to show the dimensions also, show the degrees, 30 degrees. That is understood, I guess. So this is the answer, right?